Just a little bit of snow this year. Take a look at that. Kimball Falls, Wisconsin. They had to shovel the roof off that pavilion, otherwise it would have collapsed. Shoveled the roof off the outhouse, or it would have collapsed. They got 18 feet of snow up here this year in total. It's just starting to thaw and we're having a good time checking it out. All right, Kimball Falls. She's roaring, man. Spring runoff is happening in a big way. 50 degrees today. Forecasted to be in the 50s, 60s, and 70s coming up. You're gonna see water flow like you've never seen it before. Get up north, check it out. Here we go. We got Mrs. Ranger just taking it in. Beautiful, just beautiful, man. That base is 3 feet deep across this bridge. The snow is compacting quickly. One other point of interest, I see this old beer half barrel suspended by a cable on pulleys with a trolley system. I guess that's how they got the beer across the river to the other side before they made the bridge, huh? I don't know, you come up here, you figure it out. I know the Wisconsinites like that stuff. By golly, this guy Kimball must have really enjoyed it. You tell me water doesn't have a voice. Listen to that. That's a thunderous voice saying, take me to the ocean. This is Rainbow Falls, Black River, Upper Peninsula, Michigan. Check it out. If you haven't been here, you better make it happen, man. There's a little quieter format for you. Elevated above it, but spring runoff is picking up a lot of silt, making the water brown with iron. Man, wouldn't experience that power of water and being that close to it. So here's further downstream, the breakup, as they call it. Ice sheets coming down, slowly making their way out to Lake Superior. Absolutely beautiful around this area. And that's something. Now this bridge I'm standing on, you probably see it moving. This is a cable suspended bridge across the Black River. Pan slowly. My trusty dog Bailey with me. There it is. Out here, the big lake they call Gitchagumi. See if we can zoom in on it. The Black River dumps in. It's all part of the North Country Trail. Check it out. You got to get up here, man. If you haven't been here, you are missing one of the prized jewels of the North. So all along the shoreline here by Lake Superior, this is covered with a bush called red osier dogwood. All right, you can see the tips of every one of these is pruned. The deer feed on it during the middle of winter, and they feed pretty high. You can see it up here. This is over 7 feet tall up here where the snow was high. But then you can look down here and you can see the remains of one of the deer that didn't quite make it through winter. Pretty harsh this year. Like I say, 18 feet of snow inland over by Ironwood, Michigan. And of course by the lake here you get less because the lake effect doesn't start till you get a couple miles inland. But I thought I'd show you this red osier dogwood. So you ask, how do you survive when the snow is that deep? How do you get through it all in the winter time? You have to embrace it. Get out there and cross-country ski and snowshoe and ice fish and snowmobile and do whatever you gotta do, but get outside. When I was up in Alaska, I used to always say in the middle of winter, make yourself go outside and do something active for at least 1 hour a day. That'll get you through winter. Well, there you go. There's some advice from the old Ranger. There's something medicinal about the sound of running water, especially in the spring when the thaw comes and it picks up its pace a little bit. Headed for Lake Superior and ultimately to the ocean, its final destination. Gotta love it. I'm standing on a bank of snow right now that's 12 foot high, just to give you an idea how deep it is. So there's just a quick snippet of what's going on today in the life of Ranger Reno. We're living life large, we're living it to the full. Enjoying simple things like waterfalls and snow and spring melt, spring runoff. Hope you're having a great day. Living it large and full and simple yourself. Take in some outdoor beauty wherever you are. Over and out.